Alright, here is a Hunter Infiniti ceiling fan. I got this off of OfferUp a few weeks ago. This fan was actually shipped to me. Well, the other fans that I've gotten from OfferUp were I got locally. This fan is from the fourth quarter of 1993. This is the third Hunter that I have. The first being the Savoy, the second being the Studio Series. And this is also the second white and brass Hunter that I have, the other being the Studio Series. This is another Hunter model that I love, because I think it looks pretty cool. Now, unfortunately, like the Studio Series, this makes a squeaking noise. I don't think it's any issue with the fan itself, but it's the screws that are hanging the fan. The mounting bracket I kept from the Studio Series because, you know, they're both Hunters. So yeah, before I turn this fan on, I'm going to give you a few shots of it. Alright, now that's done, let's turn the fan on. Here's low. Oh, and another thing that I like about this fan is the blades and how they're kind of glossy. Oh, and what I forgot to mention is that this fan originally came with a long down rod, and obviously I took that off and I put it on a shorter down rod. Let's turn it up to medium. Alright, it's not making the squeaking noise yet. I stand corrected. And another thing that I forgot to mention is that this fan actually came with a remote, but obviously I'm not using that because it has a pull chain. But that probably explains why it had a long down rod. Alright, last but not least, high. Alright, that's starting to get annoying now, so I'm going to turn that off. Alright, and there you have it. That is my Hunter Studio Series. Not Studio Series, Infiniti. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.